Once I learned these 5 things, I was able to make my first 100,000, then another 100,000, then another 100,000 a lot faster. Because prior to that, I kept struggling. I would see people on social media and it seemed like everyone was making way more money trading and investing and just doing a lot more better than I was. And when I was making money, I wasn't making as much as I wanted and I wasn't making as fast as I wanted. But hopefully once you learn these, it'll help you fast forward your crypto success. If you mess up every single thing I'm about to tell you, but you get number 5 correct, you will see a massive change in your crypto results. Number 1, learning technical analysis. I would say it is nearly impossible to make money in crypto consistently without knowing technical analysis. Technical analysis is just a combination of 3 things. Number 1, it's pattern. Example, you see a crypto spike up 10% in one day, the next day it goes down 4%. And you see this month after month, year after year. So now you know the pattern. Every time it goes up 10%, it is a good time to sell because the pattern shows us it's probably going to go down 4%. Next part of technical analysis is statistic, probability. Because you've seen a pattern so many times again and again and again, you know the probability of what direction it is going to move toward. And third part of technical analysis is psychology, is people's behavior. For example, when you see a crypto skyrocketing up, but you notice,
oh, it's close to $3. I'm going to sell when it's close to $3.
But experienced traders, these large corporations, they know this. So what do? They will sell before it hits $3. They'll sell at $2.90 because most people will aim for that round numbers like $3 because people like buying and selling at those round numbers. So once you learn pattern, statistic, psychology, it will significantly increase your success in the world of crypto. This method is absolutely perfect for you if you are someone starting off in crypto with not a lot of money. You've already heard the quote, it takes money to make money. But in the world of crypto, it does not take a lot of money to make some good money. What in the world am I talking about? Specifically, airdrop. I'm gonna give you a real life example. Look at Uniswap. For everyone that used their platform, Uniswap had an airdrop for them and they received 400 Uniswap. And at the time, that 400 Uniswap was only worth $1,200. But then what happened? Prices went absolutely parabolic and your $1,200 was worth around $16,000. That's close to a 14x. So if you don't have a lot of capital, take the time to learn about airdrops and how it works because it can be really financially rewarding and you could potentially find yourself in a situation you just 10x, 15x, or even 20x your investment. Hence why it is so important to utilize all the resources at your disposal, such as the free crypto webinar that I am launching. Wait, how much is it? Yes, it is free, where I will deep dive into crypto strategies and techniques that I have used to succeed in crypto. And when you give your email address, you get weekly crypto trading, investing, tips, advice from me. That's even better than my YouTube content that you're listening to right now. And if you have a crypto concern, problem, challenges that you're really struggling to overcome, when you click that reply button, that email comes to me and you don't get some AI response, you actually get a response from me. So check out the link in the bio if you want me to help you level up your crypto. Point number 4, I'm going to paint you an image. Imagine you're out with your friends, you're at a restaurant, you're eating, you're talking, you're laughing, you're having a great time, and your phone suddenly goes off. You pick up your phone and you see that you just 4x or 5x or 6x your investment from a crypto trade that you made 4 weeks ago or 5 weeks ago. That is very realistic in the world of crypto. Within that 4 to 5 weeks, you can see that your money has grown exponentially. So point number 4 is swing trade. Do not learn day trading first, especially those of you who are new to crypto. You are so excited and eager to learn to day trade, but you forget that swing trading is significantly easier. It is a lot less stress-free. You can make amazing profit. It requires less time for you sitting down on the computer all day and watching candlesticks. And you can still make amazing profit doing swing trading. And by learning swing trading, it makes the process of now becoming a day trader significantly easier. So I always recommend starting there first before jumping into day trading. Point number 5, this is a game changer for me. And a lot of times when I share it to new traders, they never really get it. And even my personal friends, when I shared it with them, they didn't understand, but they all came back months later, even years later, to say,
Naicke, thank you for sharing that with me. I finally get it now. You are right.
which is do not chase the crypto money. I know what you're thinking about.
Well, I'm trading crypto to make money.
Yes, but a lot of new people in the world of crypto will say something like,
all right, my goal is to make $200 a day. If I make $200 a day from Monday to Friday, at the end of the week, I made $1,000. So in a month, I can make $4,000 trading crypto.
terrible mindset to have, because when you have that mindset, it causes you to make bad trades. You make revenge trades because you're emotional. You force trades even though there's not a good opportunity. What you should go after is the best trade. And once you go after the best trade, then it allows you to get the best result. Hence why if you watch my content, I've even said the less I trade, the more I made, because I only traded the best crypto, which only gave me the best results. I only took the best opportunity, which gave me exactly what I want. So instead of chasing the crypto money, chase the craft, the skill of buying at the right time, selling at the right time, which will give you the result that you want. Because you stay to the end, I am going to share a bonus point with you. Tai Lopez, when he was with Elon Musk, he asked him, how in the world did you build SpaceX? Because Elon Musk didn't have a background in building spaceship. Elon Musk looked at him and responded and said, I read books on how to do it, which is crazy. So relating this to the world of crypto, if you really want to excel, you have to be curious and you have to be learning. You can take the long route, which is just watching YouTube videos, reading articles, or you can take the shorter route, which is learning from someone that you trust, someone that you like, someone that you resonate. So if that's me, great, the link in the bio. If it's not, then find that person who you do resonate with, who you can learn from. Because if other people like me can succeed doing this, then you have the ability and the potential and the skills to also learn it and succeed in it as well.